Alright guys, I'm back and we were doing object-oriented programming, and the name of this problem is verify an object's constructor with instance of. So what does this problem mean, and what do we have to do? So anytime I'm gonna read it because this is new for me as well, right? So anytime a constructor function creates a new object, right? So if constructor creates a new object, that object is said to be an instance of its constructor. So that object is an instance, right? Now JavaScript gives a convenient way to verify this with instance of operator. So they give instance of operator which can help us know if it is an instance, right? So instance of allows you to compare an object to a constructor returning true and false. So what it means is that instance of may allow us, or I think it does allow us, to compare an object to a constructor, and if it is like an instance of that constructor, then it will return true, and if it is not, then it will return false. So let's see. There's this bird constructor, right? Now let crew is equal to new bird. Now crew instance of bird, this will return true because we know that crew is created using bird as like, what should I call it? Uh, I'm just forgetting this, right? So what is bird? Bird is a constructor, right? So crew is instantiated or created from bird as a constructor, right? So crew instance of bird will return true. So if an object is created using a constructor, instance of will verify that it is not without using. So if an object is created without using a constructor, it will verify it will verify and say it's false, it's not true, right? So this will give false because canary is like, it's something that is predefined, it is hard coded, and it is not an instance of bird, so it will return false. Now what do we have to do? We have to create a new instance of house. So this is house constructor, and we have to create a new instance of house, calling it my house. So let's do it. So now let my house is equal to house, because that's the constructor. And what do we have to pass in? And passing it number of bedrooms. So how many bedrooms do we want? Let's say we want one bedroom, right? So we pass in one. Oh, and one more thing, we have to instantiate, right? So new is used to instantiate, right? And then use instance of to verify that this is an instance of house. So we have to verify the fact that my house is whether or not my house is an instance of house. So let's do that. Let's verify. So my house instance of house, right? So we do that. Whatever it will return, let's just log it out. Since this is the first time I'm doing this, I would like to log this out and see the solution for myself. So this should return true. Yeah, it does. So that means that we are good to go. No problems here. Let's go. Yep, so we are done. On to the next challenge. We'll see you later.